Hello everyone. Now come to our next topic, tangent and normal in chapter application of derivative. Before going to this topic, tangents and normal, we will go through some basic points which we have done in +1 class in chapter number straight line. So first topic is slope of a line. When angle theta is given, then slope of a line it is noted by small m, and m is equal to tan of theta, where theta is the angle made by a line L with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Now further three cases arises according to angle theta. Case number 1, when line is parallel to x-axis. If line is parallel to x-axis, then slope is equal to 0. Second case, when line is perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to x-axis means makes angle 90 degree with the positive x-axis. So m is equal to tan 90 degree and tan 90 degree is not defined. In this case, slope is not defined. Third case, when the line is equally inclined with the axis, means makes an angle 45 degree or 135 degree with x-axis. In this case, slope m is equal to +1 or -1. Now in next point, slope of a line when 2 points on a line are given as shown in figure. P and Q points are given, so slope m is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Next point, we are having condition for parallel and perpendicular lines in term of their slopes. When two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal as shown in circle. Now in second point, if two lines are perpendicular, then their product is equal to -1. Next point, we are having angle between two lines when slope m1 and m2 is given as shown in circle. Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. We are taking mode because here two cases are there. It may be positive or it may be negative. It's according to angle. It may be acute or obtuse angle is there. Come to our next topic, equation of a line. First point is horizontal line. When line is horizontal, then equation of line is given by y is equal to a or y is equal to -a as shown in circle. If lines are vertical, then it may be x equal to plus minus b as shown in circle. Next point, third point, point slope form. When one point p1 x1 y1 is given and slope m is given, then equation of a line is given by y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Next fourth point, when 2 points are given, then equation of a line is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 as shown in circle below. Next point, slope intercept form. One intercept is given along y-axis, then equation of a line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where c is intercept and m is slope of a line. Intercept may be given along x-axis. Here second case is there d0, then mx minus d is equal to y. See next point, intercept form is there. Then x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the equation of a line when two intersect, one along x-axis and one along y-axis is given. Last point is there, normal form. Here equation of a line is given by x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. It's in normal form where p is the perpendicular distance from origin as shown in figure above.